interested in testing if an individual's mood could be influenced by watching a nature video. In our study, 59 randomly sampled participants with no significant differences in mood either saw a colorful video of flowers blossoming or a lackluster commercial for a business computer software. Participants who watched the nature video rated their mood as being more inspired than the participants that saw the commercial, and watching the commercial left a significant number of those participants feeling stressed about their finances. We hope that our findings can help direct our future research on integrating technology into our mental health systems as a cost-effective way to reach more people.